Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss on case study on topic called patient safety standards in medical equipment design. So in this case study, we are going to see the impact of what happens if medical safety standard is not followed when we designing the medical device. So today we have a secondary BME students with us. So these students they have come up with the different case studies which happened in the earlier days. So by discussing these case studies, they are going to highlight the impact of what will happen if safety standard is not followed with when designing the medical device. Now let's move on to the discussion part. Hi students.
Hello.
Now we will, I think, move on to the discussion part. But before that, kindly give short introduction of yourself, then we'll move on to the topic.
Good morning, everyone. Myself Haritya from second BME.
Good morning, everyone. Myself Divya from second year BME.
Good morning, everyone. Myself Priyarashni from second year BME.
Good morning, everyone. This is Marisha from second year BME.
Now let's move on to the topic.
Everyone. Today we are going to discuss an important topic named patient safety standards in medical equipment design. Medical devices take human life. If there is an failure in the design, there will be severe consequences. According to 2024 analysis, there is 1059 medical device recalls have been happened, which is 8.6% increase from the previous year. The medical devices uh, the medical device consequences are 43.8%, which is causes patient safety concerns.
So I'll begin with the recent case. From the year 2022 to 25, according to the healthcare system, there are around 4,000 people who are harmed. And out of that, 87% of the people were dead only due to healthcare equipment failures. So basically, the root cause is poor maintenance. And some of the examples include defibrillator giving off recordings, and then faulty neonatal systems, and then outdated diagnostic equipment systems.
Let's see more about recent and advanced devices using AI. In surgical navigation, malfunctions increase from 8 to 100 plus incidents, and it causes stroke, skull damage, and severe injuries. And clinical concern, AI accuracy is only about 80 percentage, and it only about 80 percentage, and yet it is used for critical surgeries. Uh, from clinician perspective, the trust of an device output is about justification and validation.
Let's move on to the regular system. Another major issue is failure in reporting and regulatory complaints. Example, a medical company received 221 complaints about defect cylinders. This included air embolism, life threatening, and yet the issue underestimated and under recalls, and also one third adverse events are reported later. Only 7.6% reports come from hospital. Despite being first respondable as per therapeutic good administration. Mm, Key issues delay in reporting and delay in saving lives. And this shows that the most included surveillance system and feedback loops.
So, what are the main causes behind these failures?
From a technical side, it's basically the design flaws, software bugs, and then poor testing protocols.
Clinically, over reliance on devices and poor human missing interface and lack of user training.
From regulatory perspective, weak post-marketing surveillance and delayed recalls and inaccuracy complaints enforcement.
So, the overall causes are design failure, human error, regulatory gap, and the poor maintenance.
Now, how can you overcome these issues? What are the solutions you have?
So we should adopt the following fail-safe algorithms. Basically, the first one is redundant system, and then error detection algorithm.
simplified interface, and mandatory training.
Regulatory improvement is real-time monitoring system, mandatory reporting policy, and faster recall mechanism.
So the globally the patient safety software in the market is rapidly growing. So this shows the importance of this approach.
Yes, I think we have detailedly explained what happened if one failed to adapt or comply the patient safety standards when we are designing medical device. Because the medical device is something, it's very important. It's not only life saving and also life supporting medical device. If medical device fails, obviously it will fail on the patient and patient will be under risk. So this is something different like other gadgets. Medical device we have to be designed such a way at every stages we have to follow or ensure the medical safety standards are met. So that is the importance of today's discussion we have discussed so far. So I hope so this particular video will be like this. Thank you.